Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your Realme UI version and model so the options match. Next, open Settings, tap Display and Brightness, then Screen Off Clock to reach the feature directly. Once there, enable the main toggle to activate the clock, then pick a widget style that fits your lock screen layout. Make sure to set an active schedule or choose Always On if available. This prevents the clock from being restricted by nightly timers or battery saver modes. You now customize how the clock looks and behaves so it stays useful. Select clock style, color, and transparency to keep readability in varied lighting. Choose high contrast if outdoors often. Then configure notification visibility and auto-hide rules so alerts don't obscure the time. Finally, exempt the screen off clock from battery optimization or add it to auto start in app management. This ensures the clock remains active, despite aggressive power-saving policies or background restrictions. You finish by testing. Lock the phone and confirm the clock displays correctly across chosen schedules. If the clock is missing, check battery saver, do not disturb, lock screen notification settings, and app permissions because those commonly block background display. If issues persist, restart the phone, toggle the feature off and on, or clear settings app cache to reset options. One key tip: temporarily disable aggressive battery optimization to verify whether the system is stopping the clock from running in the background.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.